Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Yo Valley Eco Coffee Cup. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So in this box is a Yo Valley Eco Coffee Cup. Now let's go ahead and open it up by, of course, cutting apart the fragile packing tape that's keeping the box securely sealed, and doing so with a penknife. And of course, it helps to cut on the right or correct side of the box packaging or box flap. And let's slide open that front flap and lift up the box flap to reveal the Yo Valley Eco Coffee Cup inside. Let's remove it from its box packaging or external box packaging. And just setting the box to the side so we have a nice clear and full view of the Yo Valley Eco Coffee Cup. So just taking a look around the various aspects of this cup with my hands out of the way so you have a full and clear view. Now let's take a close-up look at this Yo Valley Eco Coffee Cup with its packaging intact. So taking a look at the back of the box packaging, there's some information about the Yo Valley Organic Farm and visitation details. And taking a look at the bottom of the box packaging, there is the product information for the Eco Coffee Cup. And now let's go ahead and remove the box packaging. Of course, pulling out the tab so that we can release the box flap and remove the cup from the packaging. And just setting the packaging to the side on the right hand side of the frame so we have a clear and full view of the Yo Valley Eco Coffee Cup. Okay, now let's take a close-up look. So it does come with a cup holder or sleeve, and just giving you a look at the details of this coffee cup, and just shifting the box slightly to the side so it doesn't interfere as we focus on the foreground with this Eco Coffee Cup. So doing a rotation so you can see the sides or the entire aspect of this coffee cup, and of course taking a look at the underside as well. So you can see the Ecoffee Cup labeling at the bottom, as well as the safety labels or compatibility labels. So it is dishwasher safe. And taking a look top down at its lid. And let's pop open the flap so you can see that there is a flap here for the drinking hole. And of course, taking apart the removable parts of the coffee cup, just moving that box to the side and rearranging and making sure everything once again is in full and clear view. So right there are the details. So looking inside the cup and giving you some idea of its construction. So very sturdy construction. You can see absolutely nearly no flex at all, just squeezing on its sides at the rim. Very robust in design and construction right there, with a very smooth finish on the inside as well as the outside with the matte finish. And you can see there is the Yo Valley branding towards the bottom of the coffee cup. And just taking a look right round, we can see it does have some what appears to be, I've got no idea what kind of vegetation it is, but appears to be pumpkins. So possibly there is a pumpkin type motif or design around this coffee cup. So right there with the kind of orange and light brown accents, as well as the pale or cream main coloring of the cup. And to give you some idea of the size, holding it in my hand, and of course we do have the removable lid as well. So giving you a close-up look at the lid, just making some rearrangements with the parts of the coffee cup to the side, and giving you a look at the lid, and of course with the flap closure for the mouth hole or drinking hole, and of course closing it down to give it a nice tight seal right there, and taking a look at the underside or bottom of the removable lid. So it is a latex free lid, and just giving you some idea of the softness or pliability of the material, and setting that to the side and giving you a look at the holder or sleeve, also with the Yo Valley organic or Yo Valley family farm branding in a heart shape. So once again, same floppy type material as the lid. Lid is slightly thicker, so just setting that to the side. And let's put everything back together again. So cap goes on, or lid goes on. It does have that nice seal, as you heard, with that snap or click of the lid onto its rim of the cup. And of course, the sleeve to minimize any heat transfer to your hands if you're holding a very hot or very cold beverage. And now giving you once again another 360 full view of this Yo Valley Eco Coffee Cup. So it is phthalate, BPA and BPS free. So it does have those health conscious well-being credentials. And this time around, once again, fully assembled in my hand. So that's the Yo Valley Eco Coffee Cup. Thanks for watching and happy drinking!